Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning class. How is life today? I hope you are always fine and happy. Selamat pagi semuanya, anak-anak. Bagaimana kabar kalian hari ini? Ya, saya harap semuanya selalu baik dan bahagia. Alhamdulillah, we are meeting again in English lesson class. I hope you will enjoy this class. Alhamdulillah, pada pagi hari ini kita ketemu kembali pada pelajaran bahasa Inggris. Saya berharap kalian akan menikmati pelajaran ini. In this meeting, we have 4 learning objectives. I hope we can achieve those objectives well. Pada pembelajaran hari ini, kita memiliki 4 tujuan. Dan saya berharap kita dapat meraih ke-4 tujuan tersebut dengan baik. Yang pertama adalah kalian bisa mengidentifikasi ungkapan-ungkapan perkenalan diri melalui surat. Jadi pada hari ini kita masih akan berdiskusi tentang introducing oneself, tapi dalam hal ini adalah melalui surat atau email. Yang kedua, kalian dapat mengidentifikasi perbedaan cara mengenalkan diri berdasarkan konteks yang dipelajari. Kemudian yang ketiga, kalian dapat menangkap informasi global dari teks yang dibaca nantinya. Dan yang keempat, kalian dapat menangkap informasi rinci yang dibaca. Well, in the last meeting, I already introduced myself to you all. Pada pertemuan yang lalu, saya sudah memperkenalkan diri kepada kalian. And today, we are studying how to introduce ourselves via a letter or email. Dan pada hari ini kita akan belajar bagaimana cara memperkenalkan diri lewat tulisan, yaitu lewat surat atau surat elektronik ya sekarang ini, atau yang kita kenal dengan email. Dalam terjemahannya disebut dengan surel atau surat elektronik. Oke, sekarang kita masuk saja ke materi pelajarannya. In this class we have two activities. Activity 1 is reading and activity 2 is writing. Pada hari ini, pada pembelajaran hari ini, kalian memiliki 2 aktivitas atau 2 kegiatan. Yang pertama adalah reading, membaca. Ya, yang kedua adalah menulis, ya, menulis. Now we are going to go on to activity 1. Sekarang kita lanjut ke activity 1 ya. Read the following email and letter 3 times loudly. Di activity 1 ini kalian Bapak minta untuk membaca email dan surat berikut sebanyak 3 kali loudly, dengan keras ya. Sekarang mari kita masuk ke dalam teks tersebut. Text 1 it is an email ya. Text 1 adalah sebuah email dan mari kita baca. And after this you repeat after me. Hello Alia, let me introduce myself. My name's Hannah. I know your name from my friend Caroline. She told me that you sent her an email telling her that you would like to have more pen pals from the US. I'd really like to be your e-pal. You sound really cool. I guess I'd better tell you something about myself first. I am 16 years old and I attend Thomas Edison High School here in Minneapolis, Minnesota, USA. I have 2 brothers and 2 half sisters, and I am the middle child. My father died a few years ago, so my mother runs the house and the family business. My father was a barista. I have lots of hobbies. I like music, mostly classical music and folk music, but I don't play an instrument. I like sports, especially tennis and basketball. At school, I'm in the basketball team, and I spend most of my extracurricular time playing basketball. I'm into animals very much. My sister and I have 3 dogs. They need lots of attention, as you can imagine. My favorite subjects at school are art and geography. I think I'd like to become a park ranger when I graduate. Perhaps work for the National Park Service. I don't like reading, but I love drawing and painting. How about you? Please drop me a line, Elia. Can't wait to hear from you, Hannah. Okay. Now we go to text 2. Sekarang kita masuk ke teks 2. Ini berbentuk letter. A letter from Saidah, yaitu sebuah surat dari Saidah. Assalamualaikum Alia. It was very interesting to read your letter about yourself and your hometown. I would really like to be your pen friend. I am a 16-year-old school student from Johor Bahru in Malaysia. Actually, I attend an Islamic boarding school just outside the city, but my family live in Kuala Lumpur. My elder sister is a medical doctor. My younger brother is an elementary school student. My favorite subjects are social sciences. I like history very much. It helps me know more how different countries existed in the past. At school, we are supposed to use English at all times, so I have become quite fluent, although sometimes we slip back into Malay, which is our mother tongue. As for hobbies, I'm really into songs and music. My favorite boy band is One Direction. My favorite Malay singer is of course Siti Nurhaliza. I also like watching movies, especially comedies. The actor I like best is Tom Cruise. I'm really into books. I like reading novels and short stories. I like some writers in English, like J.K. Rowling, and Indonesian writers too, like Andrea Hirata and Ahmad Fuadi. My dream when I'm older is to be a writer of science fiction books. I'd really love to come to Indonesia someday, especially to the magnificent Raja Ampat in Papua. What about you? Do you want to visit my country? Wassalam. Cheers, Saidah. Oke, setelah kalian membaca activity 1 tadi, yaitu text 1 and text 2 selama 3 kali, and loudly, kalian masuk ke activity 2. Choose the text you want to do. Identify the main idea of each paragraph, and then write the most important details in your own words. Di sini, kalian memilih salah satu teks tadi, 1 atau 2, kemudian mengidentifikasi gagasan pokok setiap paragraf. Kemudian, menuliskan juga informasi rinci atau gagasan rinci yang ada dalam setiap paragraf tersebut. Sekarang perhatikan contoh berikut. Oke, this is text 1, ya. This is text 1. Paragraph 1, main idea, Hannah introduces herself. Detailsnya, gagasan rinci yang dapat kita dapatkan dari paragraph 1 adalah Hannah knew Alia from Caroline. And Caroline, kemudian yang kedua, Caroline told Hannah that Alia wanted to have pen pals from USA. Nah, kemudian sisanya paragraf 2, 3, dan 4 kalian lanjutkan. Nah ya, oke. Itu kalau kalian memilih text 1. Kalau kalian memilih text 2, itu ada 5 paragraf, ya. And paragraph 1, I already did it for you, sudah Bapak kerjakan sebagai contoh untuk kalian. Main idea paragraph 1 adalah Saidah was happy to receive Alia's letter. Saidah senang sekali menerima surat Alia. Detailnya apa? Saidah wants to be Alia's pen friend. Saidah ingin menjadi sahabat penanya si Alia. Oke. Oke, kelas, that's all for today ya. Itu adalah materi kita hari ini. Silahkan dikerjakan dengan sabar. Do the task patiently ya. The due date is tomorrow. Batas akhir pengerjaan sampai besok hari. Jadi kerjakan dengan teliti dan sabar. Okay, let's close our class today by reading Kifaratul Majlis. Kita akhiri kelas kita dengan membaca doa Kifaratul Majlis. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. See you next meeting. May Allah always protect us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.